Okay, it's coming down. We got some problems with the tank. Why? Other than it's ugly. Right here. Cracking. Not only that, cracking. Supposed to come around the back. It's clearly bowed. There's the tank, since there's no middle bracer that got cut out. But yeah, we're replacing it with a Fluval Roma 240.